name is Nicola and I work for a company called Islwyn Construction Limited. When we take on apprentices, we usually source them through Merthyr College. As an apprentice of Islwyn Construction, they do gain additional skills than they normally would on a normal apprenticeship, as we have an in-house joinery. So when the apprenticeship finishes their apprenticeship, they're not only a carpenter, but they've also got joinery skills as well.
My name is Morgan Davis.
My name is Merthyr.
I'm a previous college student
I'm a current learner at the Merthyr College
and I've just completed my level 3 site carpentry.
and I am learning carpentry.
I enjoyed mostly about my apprenticeship was learning new skills and every day coming to work and being in different scenarios and doing different things every day.
The college supported me by asking me to reach out to the employability team, which is what I did, and they gave me the option with Islwyn, which then escalated for me to do my 2 weeks work experience and gain my apprenticeship.
The advice I would give somebody to start an apprenticeship would be to 100% do it, but obviously it's going to be very challenging and it's going to be hard. It's not an easy run, but in the end, the outcome is good.
We've been in this community a long time and we've established a long tradition of taking apprentices. And I feel that the community really needs to embrace more apprenticeships. More employers need to get involved because without it, these kids are not going to get the experience they need.